Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our English lesson with me, your English teacher.
What are you doing right now? What were you doing yesterday at 7 p.m.? What will you be doing tomorrow at 7 a.m.?
To answer the questions, you need to learn some form of the tenses. Look at the following dialogue. Dialogue 1.
Where were you when I called you yesterday? I was watching a movie yesterday when you called. Dialogue 2. How is Dina? She's fine. She's living in Padang now. Dialogue 3. What are you doing next week? I will be going to Bandung.
As you can see that in the bold sentences, kalimat tebal di dialog tersebut menggunakan variasi dari continuous form. Let's talk about it at the next slide. The first one is present continuous form or present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to tell something happening at the present or at the moment of the speaker says. Jadi, present continuous tense digunakan untuk menceritakan sesuatu yang sedang terjadi di masa sekarang atau ketika seseorang itu sedang berbicara. And then the structure or the form. Jadi rumusnya yaitu positive subject plus to be plus verb and then you have to add ing. Ya, jadi subject is or am or are, it depends on the subject plus verb ing. And then negative subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing. And then interrogative is or am or are plus subject plus verb ing. Examples: do not be noisy, the baby is sleeping. Are Rani and Dian studying English now? Mr. Budi says, I'm not working now because I am on vacation. So, what you have to remember is the use of the time. If it's happening now, you have to use present continuous tense. Jadi, ketika waktunya sedang terjadi di masa sekarang, kalian harus menggunakan present continuous tense. The second is past continuous form. The past continuous tense is used to tell or ask event which was happening in the past. Jadi past continuous tense digunakan untuk menceritakan dan menanyakan kejadian yang sedang terjadi di masa lampau. The structure for positive subject plus was or were plus verb ing, a negative subject plus was or were plus not plus verb ing, and then interrogative was or were plus subject plus verb ing. And then was is for subject he, she, it, and I. Meanwhile, were is for the subject they, we, you. The examples: they were watching movie at 7 p.m. yesterday. I was not washing dishes at 3 p.m. With whom were you talking with at 11 a.m. 2 days ago? Past continuous tense is often joined with past tense. Jadi past continuous tense sering bergabung dengan past tense. It is to show that an event was happening when other event also happens in the past. Jadi ini menunjukkan bahwa suatu kejadian sedang terjadi di masa lampau ketika kejadian lain juga terjadi di masa lampau. Example, when I woke up this morning, my sister was taking a bath. Jadi di sini ada dua tenses, yaitu past tense, yaitu woke up, and then was taking a bath, yaitu past continuous form. Jadi di sini ada dua tenses yang join, yaitu past continuous tense with simple past tense. Were you having lunch when I called you? While Henny was writing a letter, her mother came home. Future continuous tense is to tell or ask event which is happening in the future. Jadi, future continuous tense digunakan untuk menyatakan kejadian atau kegiatan yang sedang berlangsung di masa yang akan datang. The structure for positive subject plus will plus be plus verb ing, and negative subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb ing, and then interrogative will plus subject plus be plus verb ing. And then you can take a look at the example. Agnia plans to swim for an hour at 4 p.m. Jadi Agnia ini berencana akan berenang selama 1 jam pada pukul 4 sore. She will be swimming at 4:30 p.m. this afternoon. Berarti di sore nanti di jam 4.30 Agnia masih akan berenang. Nah, jadi ini untuk menyatakan sesuatu yang terjadi di masa depan dan sedang berlangsung. And then the example, Astri wants to go abroad at 6 p.m. this evening. Jadi Astri ini akan pergi pada jam 6 sore. Nah, she will not be feeding her cat at 7 p.m. this evening. Nah, jadi di masa depan, di jam 7, dia tidak akan memberikan makanan si kucing karena dia pada pukul 6 telah berangkat. So that's it for our lesson today. We already talked about present continuous tense, and then past continuous tense, and then future continuous tense. I hope that the video learning give the benefit for you, and I hope that you enjoy my class today. Thank you for joining my class. See you again next day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and have a nice day.